Alright guys, we're finally tuning the 370Z. My predictions for a base run is 302 to the wheels. I have no idea for torque. I'm going to say 260. I think I'll get 324 to the wheels after the dyno tune. My buddy got his G37 Admintuned, still in Gen 3 intakes. The test pipes, if you guys haven't seen that video, I'll have a card go across. We raced a 370Z, it was a 2010, full exhaust and long tube intakes, no tune though, and we beat it by like a car. 1, 2, 3! This Z raced the G37, that same one, and I beat him by a car. So I'm kind of thinking this is a factory freak because it is a 2014. The headers are bigger on these is what I've been told and seen a picture. I don't know if it's entirely true, but the picture definitely does look bigger. We're about 10 minutes away from Admintuning. I've driven almost 2 hours. I live 2 hours away, so I just can't believe I'm about to finally tune the Z after watching video after video of Admintune on YouTube, man. Like, it's crazy that I'm about to see my car on that dyno shooting flames and whatnot. And I've always wanted a car that can like shoot flames and backfire and whatnot. Let me know in the comments below, what did you think the 370Z was gonna run at? Z1 intakes, ISR test pipes. Let me know what you guys think. I'm saying 302 to the wheels and then 324 after the tune. Literally less than a mile away at the last light, and look, I had to stop traffic so this stupid truck can get through with his oversized load. Freaking annoying, dude. That's just my luck. The last light, all I have to do is just go straight and then take a U-turn and I'm there. But nope, this has to happen.
Stock tune made 309.
Jeez.
So pretty good numbers to start out with.
I figured it'd be between the 300 and 310 based off watching your other videos.
got Jordan's 370 here today. This is a automatic 2014 with Z1 intakes and stock mid pipe, test pipes, and axle back. So I'll show you the first pull real quick. This car actually is pretty healthy out of the box. First pull was 309 horsepower with 251 torque. After retuning it, we made 322 with 262 torque, but nearly 323 with 263 torque. So these are actually pretty strong numbers for the mods. I think the new catback will open it up a lot. I noticed when tuning the car, trying to move the VTC and stuff, it's pretty obvious that the exhaust becomes a restriction, because when you try to move the VTC past a certain point, it actually starts losing power because it's not scavenging enough. So power dropped to 319 when I went a little overboard with the VTC movement, and you see peak power fell a little bit too. So we just put it right back where I had originally had it, and the power picked back up. But overall, just good strong numbers for the combo, and once he gets some different parts on there, it'll make even more. So.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.